Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and today I'm going to do a show and tell of a new kit that I have in my shop. It is loosely, or you can say it's a travel postal theme kit that I have launched. You can use this as a collage sheets, rip strips. You can use it as a background. It is formulated on those lines, but the influence is heavily on postal theme. So let me move this aside a little bit. It's creating a weird kind of shadow. So let me move this. So move this a little bit. So now you can see, so there are 10 sheets, 10 ephemera pages and 10 main sheets, and they are separate kits, like 10 sheets of main pages and 10 sheets of add-on pages, because if you do not like the ephemera, or if you do not need the ephemera, then you can choose not to purchase that. So let me go through the pages first. They are not in any particular order. I've just printed them and lined them up. So this has been printed on my inkjet printer. I have an Epson EcoTank. Uh, so I have printed that out on this kind of printer so that you people will know how it would look on an inkjet printer paper. It comes out very clear, and clarity is one of my first and foremost priority when I design a paper. So this is the first page, or whatever the page that has come. So you can see it is loosely based on postal theme. You can use it as your rip strip, or you know tag making, or whatever your collage base. If you don't want to create a collage base from the very beginning, you can use sheets like this. This is the third sheet. So I'm going to line these up this way. This is the fourth sheet, and you can also fussy cut these out and use them as elements in your journal, like this one, or this one, this portion, or you can even use this one. And if you buy the ephemera page, you will get these as separate units also, you'll see, but they are not exactly the same that you see over here. As I said, they are loosely based. So here you can see envelopes and letters. I've created that. So this is the fifth sheet. This is the sixth sheet. Seventh sheet. And I think 10 is a very good number. You can make a lot of things out of this. And this is the eighth sheet. This is the ninth sheet. So if you want to make an ephemera piece, you can simply cut this out, and this label will be peeking through. You can put a number of sorts from somewhere. If you have number labels or this, then you're good to go. So these kind of things I have kept in mind. Like you can make this into a journal card, and that add a little bit of floral element also. And this is the last one. So they are very cohesive, and also they have a lot of uses apart from making a journal. 10 pages of that. And let me paper clip this, because I will be starting a project using these pages, as well as some that I had given on my Patreon. So I had created a special kit for my Patreon, and I will be using some papers from that also, because they are very similar. This is just an extension of the Patreon kit is just an extension of the kit that you see here. So that comes in 6 sheets. So you'll have like, if you are a member of my Patreon, then you can avail this 10 sheets, then those 6 sheets, and it becomes a huge kit. You can work a lot with that, and you can make a travel themed journal out of that. So this is the one page. I'm not saying this is the first page. This is one of the pages, and you have tons of stamps to layer your projects. some postcards and some stamps again, labels, some. I know this video might look a little bit dark, but I'm filming this in the late evening because I was working the whole day. And if you have watched my Etsy video, problem 1, then let me clear out certain things. Etsy has managed to sort out my issues for now, and I am again good with that. So how many pages did I show? Three pages, and this is the 4th page. So these are again blank postcards that you can, you know, decorate yourself. This is the 5th page, I guess so. I got caught up in talking. So 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th page. This is the 6th page. So you can see a lot of stamps are there. This is a really good kit. When I was designing this, I had initially wanted to keep it smaller, but then, you know, I kept on adding things, and I decided to make it quite substantial, so that even if you don't buy the main pages, you can go for the ephemera part for a lot of tiny elements that you can layer on your altered postcards and you know, altered collage projects. So this is another one. So you have labels, some ornate kind of labels, a vintage stamp, and some blank postcards. Here what we have is another sheet of blank postcards. As I said, you can alter these to your needs, or you can keep them blank as you want. This is another page, and I've added the cover of a ledger because I wanted, if you want to make a mini book sort of thing, then you can use this cover, and then you can decorate this, or you can, you know, layer this a little bit with all the elements that you get in this kit, and make a beautiful mini journal sort of thing. So that was the idea, and here are your 10 sheets. So let me go through it once more. So this is one sheet. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is one. Then you get 2, 3, 4. So this is a blank postcard sheet that I said. This is the 5, 6. Again, more blank postcards. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have 10 sheets of ephemera and 10 sheets of 10 pages. So you can make a pretty nice journal, and even if you want to use them as collage sheets, rip strips, or whatever, you can pretty well use them in that way also. So I will start a project because my trifold journal is on the verge of completion. So I'll show you a mini, not a mini, but a project using these papers. And also I will be starting another project. There will be 2 projects going side by side. One is a floral fantasy that I already have in my shop, and this one is called, this is just called Postal Themed Collage Masterboard. So you can check that out. I'll put all the links in the description box. And yeah, so if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, I have a Facebook group link in the description box. So in my Facebook group, I have currently you know, a coupon code enlisted. So if you're interested in using that, you're more than welcome. So it is applicable on everything, like the physical journals as well as the digital ones. And of course, my Patreon do have a special discount. So that's that. So thank you everybody for watching this. Bye, have a great day, and we'll be back to show you you know, this beginning of a project using these papers. Okay, so bye, thank you for watching.